Hi, I'm pepecano. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm making this croquette video for my brother who asked me the other day about it, and I can tell you can make the same recipe with shredded beef or chicken, very popular. There are many croquettes, so this is how you do it. Process your Serrano ham for as long as 1 minute until it's very fine. Heat your milk and incorporate your ham, but do not let it boil. Let it simmer for a few minutes so it will absorb the flavor of the ham. While this is going on, you're gonna fry your onion in the butter. Add salt and pepper, and just before it starts to brown, add your flour and fry it for a couple of minutes. Now add half of your milk and ham mixture. Incorporate it real well to avoid lumps. Then add your other half and continue mixing. And when it's completely smooth, it's ready to chill. Spread it flat in a container and refrigerate overnight. And the next day, you're ready to roll your croquettes. In the egg first, then in the breadcrumbs. I'm going to fry as many as I'm going to eat. The rest I'm going to freeze and save them for later. Fry them real good on all sides until golden brown. Delicious croquettes, like my grandma used to make. And try them with chicken and shredded beef, even tuna. They're all delicious. Well, there you have it, croquettes. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.